Welcome to this episode in our new series on pragmatics. In today's lesson, we look at making and responding to invitations. Inviting someone to do something can be a challenging task, as it can impose a face-threatening encounter for both the person making the invitation and the person being invited. When we invite someone, we risk the embarrassment of rejection, while they may feel uncomfortable at getting an unwelcome invitation. Invitation sequences can unfold in several predictable ways. These are generally dependent on whether the invitee is willing to either accept or decline the offer made by the inviter. When you accept an invitation directly, usually, not always, but usually you're doing what the other person suggested, so you don't have to be careful. You can answer immediately. You can give a short answer. And you don't need to explain. However, to say no to an invitation, we need to be more careful not to appear ungrateful or insensitive. To politely decline, use some of these strategies. Pausing before answering or taking an in-breath. Showing appreciation, apologizing, giving a reason, making an alternative suggestion. Now, look at the following invitation and reflect on the different responses provided.
Do you want to come to the movies with me tonight?
Sure, sounds great.
Do you want to come to the movies with me tonight?
Well, I can't tonight, sorry. I promised James I'd help him fix his car. Thank you, though. You could ask Wendy. In the first instance, the invitation was accepted, so the response was quick and immediate. In the second response, the invitee declined the invitation using all 5 of the strategies provided earlier. When making a casual invitation involving a small thing, then a simple invitation can be used. If the invitation is accepted quickly, the interaction moves ahead. However, at other times, the invitation may not be accepted immediately. Watch the following interaction from the first episode of the Skipper's Pass drama series.
Oh, why don't you come along? Have a swim? It's not far.
Yeah, okay. I'd like to see the swimming hole.
In this scene, Sophie makes a direct invitation to Emma.
Oh, why don't you come along? Have a swim?
Emma's first reaction is to hesitate. When Sophie hears Emma hesitate, she tries to reassure her by trying to eliminate the cause of the hesitation.
It's not far.
The reassurance is successful and Emma accepts the invitation.
Yeah, okay. I'd like to see the swimming hole.
Now watch another example from Skipper's Pass.
Come on. The water is perfect.
I'm good here for now.
You came all this way just to sit on the edge.
Fine, you're right.
In this scene, Sophie is inviting Emma to jump into the water.
Come on. The water is perfect.
Emma's first reaction is to decline the invitation.
I'm good here for now.
When Sophie hears Emma decline, she tries to persuade her by questioning the choice in a gentle way.
You came all this way just to sit on the edge.
The follow-up is successful, and Emma accepts the invitation.
Fine, you're right.
As we all know from experience, making invitations is not always an easy thing to do. The same applies for when you receive an invitation and must decide whether to accept or decline. However, By following the suggestions provided in this lesson, we hope it makes your interactions a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can find more of our lessons on our Chasing Time English TV YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.